Hi, our class today is continuing from our previous class KMAP, part 4, now part 5. We got equation Z equals to B bar C bar D plus B C bar D plus C bar D bar plus B C D bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar. So by looking at this equation, you know that this is non-standard SOP. So you have to place number 1 in the Karnaugh map. So first of all, you can do truth table to allocate the number 1 to make you easy to locate it in the K map. So for B bar C bar D is 0, 0, 1. B C bar D 1, 0, 1. C bar D bar 0, 0. B C D bar 1, 1, 0. A B bar C bar 1, 0, 0. A bar B bar 0, 0. So you can look at number 1. B bar C bar D 0, 0, 1. So you locate at the position B, C and D. You look at B, C and D 0, 0, 1. So we got 0, 0, 1 here, 1. Then you got another 1, 0, 0, 1 here. Because of you don't have A, so A can be either A or A bar. Okay, now you look at number 2, you don't have A, so means that A can be A or A bar. So B, C, D should be 1, 0, 1. So you look at 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and then another 1, 0, 1 over here. Okay, number 3, you got C and D, so you just look at the row C and D, where C and D is 0 and 0. So C and D 0 and 0, so A and B doesn't matter. A and B can be either 1 or 0. So just make sure that C and D is 0 and 0. So we got 0 and 0, another one here. 0 and 0 CD here. And then 0 and 0 CD here. Okay, you got 4, huh? Number 1. So number 4 is you got 1, 1, 0 at the line BCD. So you find 1, 1, 0, 1 here. And 1, 1, 0, 1 here. So A, B, C, A, B bar, C bar, 1, 0, 0. So look at the row A, B, C, 1, 0, 0. So you should have 1, 0, 0 over here. And then 1, 0, 0 over here. So you got 2, 0, 0 over here. And then A bar, B bar. So you got 0, 0 at the line A and B. 0, 0, so you got 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, now you locate the position number 1 in the K map. First you got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you got 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So you complete placing number 1 in the K map, and then you can do grouping. The grouping show here is for number 1 is a group of 8. Number 2 is a group of 4. Number 3 is a group of 4. So for number 1, you don't read A and B, you just read C and D. C is 0 and 0, D change state, so you just read as C bar. For number 2, you have to compare here, and then here and here. So for here you got only B. B is 1, so you got B over here. And then here and here you got D, D bar. So you got D bar. And now group number 3. Group number 3 is here and all here. But all here change state. So you don't read all there, C and D. So you just read A and B. So 0 and 0 means that A bar, B bar. So you got equation here for this non-standard SOP, Z equals to C bar plus A bar, B bar plus B, D bar. Okay, so this is mapping for a non-standard SOP. Example, as previous example, for B bar, C bar, so it can be either A and D. A and D can be either 1 or 0. So you can place like this, or you can do a truth table like a previous example. So A and B 1 0. So whatever 1 0. So the rest C and D can be either 1 or 0. And next example is 1 1 0. So you got 1 1 0. So for D it can be either 1 or 0. So here complete, here complete, here you got complete. So you can place all these number in the K-map as well. Next is, if it's the question give to you, they give you the logic circuit. So you need to draw the logic circuit first. For example, here you got A bar, and then you got B over here, B over here. So you got C bar over here, you got C over here, you got D. And then this one perform the operation plus, this one multiply, this one plus. Here you got A bar plus B, then you got bar over here, you got bar. Here you got B, C bar. Here you got C plus D. Okay, over here plus. So you got A bar plus B bar plus BC bar. So here you got A plus B bar, which is come here. And then here is C plus D. You got times C plus D, and then you got bar all. And then this one plus again. So you got A bar plus B bar plus BC bar, and then plus again with this equation. So A bar plus B bar, and then you got C plus D, then you got okay. So this is example where you need to give the equation first, and then you have to solve by using De Morgan theorem, and then place it in the K-map. So it just look like this. So you need to do De Morgan theorem first, and then you got the equation like this, and then you place in the truth table. So you know that here you need to read A, B. A 1 0. This one is 1 0. This one is 1. This one is 0. This one is 0 1 0 0. This one is 1. This one is 1 0. This one is 0 0. This one is 0 0. So if you locate them in the truth table, so you will find that's all the equation here like this, right? Okay. So this is example for K-map where you plot all the number 1 in the 4-bit binary system. So you got here, when you do groupings, it will be like the equation y equals to 1 or z equals to 1 or x equals to 1. Okay. Alright, here is example for mapping directly from truth table. So you got truth table here from the equation x equals to a bar, b bar, c bar. So a bar, b bar, c bar, 0, 0, 0 here. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So you place this one in the K map A, B and C. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and then 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is another example for 3-variable K map. This example here is in POS x equals to a plus b plus c times a b plus b bar plus c times a bar plus b bar plus c times a bar plus b plus c. So for POS, you know that a equals to 0, a bar equals to 1. So here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we need to locate all this equation here. We need to locate number 0 in K map. Alright. So 0, 0, 0, you place 0. 0, 1, 0, place 0. 1, 1, 0, place 0. 1, 0, 1, place 0. Then you can start to do grouping. Remember that you can do a group of 1, a group of 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, for this one, it's not possible to do a group of 4. So it just looks like you can have a group of 1 and 2. So you can do one group of 2, one group of 2, and then one group of 1. Right. Okay, if you do a group of 2, so here you got a equals to 0. So you got a. For this equation, you got a plus c. A plus c. And then for this equation, you got b, which is b equals to 1, so b bar, plus c equals to 0, c. And then this one is 1, 0, 1. A equals to 1, which is you got a bar, plus b equals to 0, b, plus c equals to 1. So you got c bar. So here you can get x equals to a plus c times b bar plus c times a bar plus b plus c bar. Okay, next example. Here is another POS example for a group of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, how to read this equation? So you just read here a plus b, which is a0, b0, a0, b0. So a plus b, and then here c equals to 1, d equals to 1. You got c bar plus d bar. So for this equation, a and b 0, 0. So a plus b, c is 1, d is 0. So c bar plus d. So you can see the rest of the equation is also similar. So this is another example for grouping. This is when you see number 0 in the K map, you know that this equation is POS. So x equals to, here a group of 4, So equation 1, and then equation 2, and then equation 3. So equation 3, you open the box here like this to combine with another one here. Right. So number 1, so you're going to compare all of this. So A and B all change state from 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So you don't read A and B. So you just read on the top here, which is C and D is 0, 0. So you got C plus D over here. Okay, for here, number 2, so you read this line and 2 line on the top. So you read A as 1, B as 0. So A bar plus B. And then on the top here, you got C and D. So C is 0 and 0. So you read C. And then for equation number 3, you compare here, here, and here. So you got A and B 0, 0. So that's why you got A plus B. And then top here, only D. D change state. Doesn't change state. 0, 0. So you read D. So you got X equals to C plus D times by A bar plus B plus C times A plus B plus D for this equation. Okay. So this is another K-map example for this equation. You can try to get the answer from y equals to A bar B bar C bar D bar plus A B bar C bar D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus A bar B C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A B bar C D bar, and then you can get the equation like this. So this is basically the equation is in SOP form. Okay, now I would like to explain about K-map with don't care condition. So don't care usually represented by X. If you want to group, you don't have enough group, you can use don't care to make it in a group. But if it doesn't have a pair, so X for X, it doesn't matter. It's just like if you want to use me, you can use me. If you don't want to use me, I don't care. Okay. For example, here in the truth table, you got here don't care condition here. So you place in the K map. You got A, B, C, and then you got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 or 1. So you place at the location of 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is basically when you place 0, so this equation means that this equation is SOP. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 put 0, SOP. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, so you put X here, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, also X, and then 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, number 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, 1. So if the question is asking you to do SOP, so you can do SOP. If the question asks you for POS, you can do POS. For example here, it show you a group of SOP, so you can use this don't care. So you can make a group of 4 like this. So equation is, you read here. So this one is here and here. So you don't read C because C change state. You read either A or B. So from here, it just look like A change state from 1 to 0. A don't change state. A is 1 and 1, so you read A. So B change state from 1 to 0, you don't read B. For example here, if the question here, sorry, this one should be X, this one is X. Okay, alright. So if the question here for SOP, so SOP Z equals to A. So for POS, can do POS here. So POS, you can see here and here, C change state from 0 to 1. So what the equation here, you got A equals to 0. So Z equals to A. Okay. Next is another example. You have the truth table. So you locate the position of 0, 1 and X. So basically this is example for SOP. So a grouping for tree number 1. So you got 1, 2, 3. So basically you can do a group of 2 and then a group of 2 here, and then you can do one big group of 8. Okay, this is another example. How do you do mapping for don't care condition by having a number? So for SOP, the symbol will be sum. For POS, the symbol will be pi. So here is pi, so means that POS. Even though the question is asking you about SOP equation, but you have to locate all here. This one is X, this one is 0, and then sorry, he 0 until here. So all of this is POS, and the equation here is SOP. Okay, you need to get the final number after you do. The equation is in SOP. Okay, let's do exercise for this one first. For example, if you have F equals to pi m 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8, 10. Then you got don't care 0, 2, 6, 11, 12. Okay. So in this equation, please find the equation for POS. Okay, so this one is POS. This one you have to locate number 0. This one you have to locate number X. Okay, first of all, you need to do K-map 4 times 4, because by looking at this number, you know if it's more than 7, it should be 4 times 4. Pick binary. You got A, B, C, D, 16 cell. So you got here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And then you remember the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now locate 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Right? So maybe we can place another here. Alright. 0 to 6. 0 to 6. 9, 11. 9, 11, 12. Okay. By looking at this, so how you do a grouping? So remember that don't care means don't care. So you can do a group of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Right. So you can do a group of 4 here, and then a group of 4 here. So the rest of x is okay to leave because I don't care, right? So for equation number 1, you got here, you compare here, 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 and here. So you got here for POS, A equals to 0. So you got A plus, here C change state, you got D equals to 1. So you got A plus D bar. And then for the equation number 2, you're going to compare here and then all here. For C and D all change state, you don't read C and D, you just have A equals to 1, B equals to 0. So you got A bar plus B. So the equation here is F equals to A plus D bar times A bar plus D. Okay, we go back to this equation. So you have to locate 0, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10. Locate number 0 in the table. And don't care 5, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. So you got 0, 2, 8, then 9, and then 10. And then you got 5, don't care, which is, this one is X. This one is, you place number 0. X at 5, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15. But the question here, remember, determine the minimum SOP. So they want you to answer for SOP. So for SOP means that you have to do a grouping for SOP. The rest of the 0 and X will be number 1. So grouping number 1. So you do a grouping here, 1, group here, 1, black, and then green number 2, and then red number 3. Okay, here for number 1, you read here and here, here and here. So you got B, C bar. And then group number 2, you read here and here, here and here. You got A bar, D. And then for the red one, so you're going to compare here and here. So A and B change state, you don't read A and B. And you only have C, D, which is C equals to 1, D equals to 1, you got C, D. So you rewrite the equation F equals to CD plus BC bar plus A bar D. So it's the same with the here CD bar. And then, so means that your answer is correct. Okay, thank you very much for your class today.